This episode sponsored by GoToAssist Express. Continuing coverage here at the Consumer Electronics Show. Todd Cock from the Geek News Central website, of course, part of the Tech Podcast Network. And we're here at Parrot, and they got some pretty cool new speakers. They just turned the volume down on them, but what we've got are wireless speakers, and they had them cranked up here a few minutes ago. Maybe I can get the guy to crank them up. Subwoofer comes out of the bottom, standard speaker sound out of the top. So, hey Chuck, could you get him to turn? Of course, we start recording and he turns them down, but if we can get him to, but I think what's pretty remarkable, wireless, and they sound really good. So maybe Chuck will give us a little volume here. Okay, he's turning them up a little bit. So they do. They even sound good in here, which is hard to do. So even though the remote control man wasn't paying attention to us, pretty cool with speakers by Parrot. They're the what do they call them? The Zikmu Parrot by Starck. So anyway, that's it. Continuing coverage here at the Consumer Electronics Show at the Parrot booth for the Tech Podcast Network. It'll be easier with GoToAssist Express, an easy and secure remote support solution purpose-built for individuals, small businesses, and professionals who need to support clients. With the click of your mouse, start a support session. Your client simply enters the code you give them on the fastsupport.com website. With their permission, you have the same access to their computer that you have of your own. You can examine programs, check and modify control panel settings. GoToAssist Express gives you full access to their desktop. Need deeper access? Run the GoToAssist Express diagnostic application to get a system summary, application list, processes, programs that start when the computer starts, network connections, devices, services, along with installed applications, and much, much more. Easily send and receive files back and forth between your and your client's computer. Have another support request come in and need to do 2 support sessions at the same time? You can run multiple support sessions with GoToAssist Express. Included is an interactive chat client. As you can see, the menu bar of the GoToAssist Express gives you everything you need to do online support. To try GoToAssist Express right now, free for 30 days, you must visit gotoassist.com/techpodcast. That's gotoassist.com/techpodcast for a free trial.